Hey there guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to show you how you can download and install the Canon F166 400 printer driver in Windows 10 or Windows 11. Doesn't matter if you're using Windows 10 or Windows 11 because we are going to use whatever browser you're using, Chrome, Edge, Safari, whatever it is, and go to Canon and go to the support page and then download page. It depends on where you are. As you can see, for me, it is ph@canon/en/support/download. And you're going to be brought to this page where it says drivers, software, and firmware. So this is pretty much where you're going to be able to download anything of that sort. So drivers, software, and firmware. So just choose all operating systems or just be more specific. So let's go to, if you're using Windows 11, just Windows 11, all types, say drivers. And the thing about these printers or any model from Canon is they're going to have a specific driver, I guess, code. So for this specific model, it's going to be this. So MG3600 or MG3500, just check with the model that you have. So for example, we're just going to choose MG3600 and we just press enter or search. And as you can see here, there's going to be this one. So all we need to do is click on this. There you go. And click download. And as you can see, we are now downloading it and we have downloaded it. Now here, pretty standard process. You just need to zip it, unzip it. It's, or as you can see, it's an exe, so it's an installer already. So just click on this. There you go. Click yes. It's unzipping, right? So just click startup and just follow the installation process and you'll be good to go. So pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We will see you on the next video.